Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going over day 24th of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem, which is the bag of tokens. You're given an initial balance of P and a score of 0 and a bag of tokens. You could pay for it, you lose and gain 1 score. If your score is at least 1, you may pay the gaining token power and largest possible score you can achieve. P is less than so P is less than 10 to the 4th, but I don't know if that helps us that much. Are we bounded by P? N is less than 1,000, so we can do something there. So I think my initial thing would be to, oh, you don't have to, okay, maybe I've got a little bit confused. Oh, you can put it in any order. Okay, then that is just me being dumb, because for some reason I thought you had to go from left to right or something. And for me, I was trying to think about various way of using dynamic programming to get it, but I don't, because they are in order. Oh, sorry. Because we could put it in any order, we should sort it to see if we can figure it out. And it seems like the greedy situation seems to be okay, which is that we want to, I mean, this is like almost like buying high, selling low, right? You have X amount of money, and then as much as you can, you pay for tokens to get us more money, and then we just kind of take the max score along the way, and I think that would be good. Let's kind of, yeah, let's do that. And I'm a little bit lazy, so I'm just going to do everything in a deck so that we can get the smallest and the max after we sort it, right? So let's just say tokens is equal to collections.deck of tokens. I think that should work, right? And then now, so our initial thing is P, and we want to do greedy as much as we can, but I don't know if we need to be at the very end, so I'm going to just keep the running max score. So okay, so now while length of tokens is greater than 0, because if we have a token, we can always either buy or sell, unless we literally cannot do either, which is this case, I suppose. So can we buy? If oh, and let's just say score is equal to 0, right? So if we can buy, then I think we want to buy first. So if P is if current power is equal to P, if current power is greater than or equal to token sub 0, then let's buy this token, because that's the cheapest token we can buy anyway. So create the score of 1, and then we check, let's say if we end it here, this may be our best score, and then we continue. And also tokens dot pop left, so that it removes the first element, right? The smallest element. And then now, and then this will keep on allowing us to keep buying while we have money. So then now, let's say if score is greater than 0, then current power plus equal to token sub -1, score -1, sad face, tokens that pop right. But I mean, and then we continue, right? And then if we cannot, if we don't have token and we cannot buy, then we're just done. So then afterwards it's break. And then we just get the best and that's it. So basically greedy is my thing. Because the idea is that you only want to buy if it's really cheap, or if you're gonna buy, you buy from the cheapest, and if you sell and you have to sell, then you sell it at the most expensive one, right? So I think for me that makes sense. I think that's good enough. I don't know if there are any weird edge cases because we saw it anyway. I guess negative numbers, but that's not available. So cool, accept it. So what is the complexity? This is going to be dominated by the sorting. So this is n log n minus the sorting, because we only pop left and pop right. So each element's going to be popped at most one. So it's going to be linear time after the sorting, but you know, and this can be done in. This can be done over one time, but I was lazy, so I did it with a deck with O of n. So you can actually just keep track of the left and the right, and then you could do it over one time. Doing a contest, it depends on how I feel. It doesn't change the code that much either way, because this is just 2 pointers from the left and the right. Yeah, that's all I have for this problem. Short answer is still greedy. And yeah. Let me know what you think. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think. And hopefully this time I don't delete this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.